Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. What's really happening in the market? For those who don't know, actually today in the US, the market won't be opening. So I just want to show you that. Here. So I will just click. You can see London Stock Exchange already opened, which we're going to focus on this actually on our live session around 3 o'clock. So we're not going to have anything on your as the market is going actually closed. So you can see today it's 19th of June in the US. It's called Juneteenth. Juneteenth, whatever. So the stock market is actually closed. So I hope maybe you can see that. You can see we have like more than 30 hours before the market opens, which is going to be actually tomorrow, right? So we're just going to focus on Europe stocks. So another thing is I will be showing you actually a trick to teach yourself about fundamentals, how to understand them very quick. I'll be showing you at the end of the video, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. As I already did the actually quick analysis yesterday, as I did weekly analysis yesterday, so this is going to be quick analysis, right? So what's really happening? We can easily see that the market is doing what? On GBP USD, as I explained. So you can easily see that the market is doing what? The market is still on a very nice uptrend. So can we jump on the market where it is now? I don't think so, guys. The market has been pushing to the upside for quite some time now. I'm just expecting maybe a very nice reversal. At the moment, it seems like the market doesn't really want to reverse. You can see this is some crazy push to the upside. Just look at this. Whoa. So you can see that, yeah, the market is actually seriously flying. So our job is to do what? Sometimes just wait and focus on different things. If maybe you don't want to focus on different pairs, I think it's better to wait for a very nice reversal around this zone. There is a chance for a nice reversal before we see a push to the upside. Or we can just wait. Mostly Mondays and Fridays, they confuse most of us. The market will just go up and down. Once you think maybe the market will be buying, then you will see the market actually melting. And if you bought here, it's gonna be a very, very bad Monday. And I prefer to start our Mondays on a very good note. So to start that, actually, you need to be extra careful. So I'm expecting a very nice reversal. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but I'm just expecting that with this type of a push, guys, this is a serious bullish momentum. And we know very well, if you go back there, yes, the market sometimes push like this. But along the way, with the history, what we see, so mostly the market will end up trying to recover this very quick, very, very quick. 3 candlesticks, they can cover this. So don't be on the wrong side of the market, you see. So on Friday, guys, on Friday, NASDAQ just melted on us. NASDAQ just pushed lower, guys, and we were actually buying. By the way, we will still recover. So what's really happening on gold? We saw that the market is been pushing to the upside on a bigger time frame. Please, guys, you can go back and check my previous analysis. As we go further, I'm not going to just go back every time, especially when I did a weekly analysis yesterday. So this is just a quick analysis. So what's really happening here is we can easily see that the market is just running away. It's just playing away, or it's playing around this support and resistance. So you can see the market on the bottom side, it respects this zone. On the top side, or on the upside, it respects this area. So our job is to wait for a breakout, or else the market will be playing around these areas, and it's going to be way too easier for us to lose because the market will be just going up and down. So our job is to wait for a breakout, because this is actually going to be as a sort of a wedge structure where the market is going to squeeze around and sometimes not even try to move. But I like the fact that we don't actually have enough economic news, which I'm just going to show you, and I'm also going to show you how to understand them and how they actually move the market. I think the market can still actually move very nice, as there are some high economic news that I'm going to show you. So you will check. We will check that at the end of this analysis. So we'll be actually checking that. And remember, every day we do that. Actually, we do the analysis and we also check our fundamentals, right? So now we are actually on US30. What's really happening on US30? As I did show you, we have a resistance on top. Here we have a very strong resistance, and we saw the market running away from that area on Friday. So we thought maybe the market was about to break out. We thought maybe we had a very nice buy. We were in a smaller profit, but the market actually reversed very quick. But I'm still positive. I still believe that the market might break that area, but since the market is down, I will be neutral for now, and then I will wait for that breakout, or maybe the market will just continue pushing to the lowest side. I hope you see this, guys. So we saw the market trying to break that, but obviously that was a fake breakout. The market gave us this fake breakout, then it came back. But when we check, this is an area that we had even before, so the market is just retesting here. So it seems like the market is also, if we start to, let me zoom this for you, if we start to draw this, let me just go on 4 hours time frame, you will see what I'm trying to show you. So it seems like the market is doing what? It's respecting this area. If we go back, you can see actually this point seems to be around the same level. If you check here, it's quite the same thing. So it's like the market is actually creating something like this. And if we draw something like that, you will see that, oh, the market is doing something. So even here, it's like the market is pushing up, come down, push up, come down. So I think we will actually see the market flying to the upside. But I'm just going to hold a little bit and wait as it's Monday and see if maybe we're breaking out of that resistance before we jump on that buy. If you like this type of content, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So on NASDAQ, I hope maybe you did see my analysis yesterday. So maybe you saw what I did, but we can just go back here very quick. So still we are on a very nice uptrend. The market is still uptrending, but we need to go here and see what's really happening. So let's try to zoom a little bit closer. As we had a very nice buy, it was in a bit smaller profit, and we were on a live session, unfortunately, and the market actually took us out. I think the market was around this area. The market even closed above this that resistance, and above that we thought maybe the market was going to continue, as we are actually on that bullish momentum. But it seems like the market thought otherwise, and we saw a reversal. But I think now the market will be trying to push up. But as we are actually on, it's a holiday, obviously, I'm expecting the market just to not move that crazy. I'm expecting some sort of consolidation. Then if Powell tomorrow, I think it's Wednesday, sorry, I think that is going to be something that might push the market to go crazy. So what I see here is the market just came back very closer to the support area or previous high. You can see this high here. The market came around that area. The market might play around this area before pushing to the upside. Here, I think this is supposed to be like that. So we will see maybe the market pushing to the upside. If not, we might see the market breaking out of this area and trying to push lower, if the market doesn't respect this area. But I'm expecting it to respect so that maybe this bullish momentum can continue pushing to the upside, as the companies in NASDAQ are very, very strong. So as I promised, I said I want to show you something. It's not actually like a very tricky thing, but this might help you actually to understand what's really happening in the market. So firstly, let's check what's really happening this week. We can easily see that this week we're going to, it's very short, as we have a holiday. It's very short as we have a holiday. You can see it's Monday, nothing. Not on even GBP euro, we don't actually have anything, so it's going to be quite slow. Tuesday also the same, we don't actually have anything. But on Wednesday we see 8 a.m. we see CPI for GBP. I think we're gonna check this one, but the thing is it's going to be a bit earlier. Maybe I will cover that on my early analysis on Wednesday. So later on around 4, I think we can go on the live session. Powell will be testifying, so around 4, so I think we will be on our live session around this area. We'll see what he's talking about. And on Thursday we also have GBP interest rates. This is going to be fun as they're going to increase the rates. 2:30 unemployment claims, and also around 4 we're gonna see Powell testifies. So on Friday we don't actually have any crazy stuff. So what I was trying to show you here is, or what I wanted to show you is, with this type of news, guys, most people or us traders or whatever, we don't really go deep in these things. Like Fed Chair Powell testifies. What are those things? We don't really understand them. And unfortunately, we just see the market going up and down. So we get lost and we don't actually have enough time to search for this or understand. Or sometimes even if you search, people that might explain that in a different way or in a very difficult way for you to understand. So I'm just going to do what? Let's say USD Fed Chair Powell testified. I'm just going to copy this. I'm just going to show you this. You can go on your chat GPT. It's free. Just search chat GPT on your computer or cell phone, whatever. So I'm just going to paste this here. I think it's still opening, so you can see. So I'm using a AIPM but connected with ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to paste that so that I understand what's really happening. I can say, explain this to me. Explain this to me. You see, so Fed Chair Powell testifies. Simple, right? Let's click go. So from that, it's going to write everything about that, right? You're going to understand what are they going to say, or just because we just say, oh, we have the news, but we don't actually say what will happen or what are they actually talking about. So with that, I'm just going to try to zoom this so that we can see this together. So after I did copy, I said, explain this to me. It says here, Federal Reserve Chair Powell testifies, right? Refers to an event where the chairperson of the Federal Reserve, currently Jerome Powell, that's great, provides testimony or gives statement before congressional committee or other governmental body. So you can continue reading this, but I think this is going to help you. The Federal Reserve, often referred to as the Fed, is the central banking system of the United States. It plays a crucial role in regulating the country's monetary policy and maintaining financial stability. The Fed is the head. Let me just go deeper. During the testimony, the Fed Chair Powell may discuss various economic indicators, such as inflation rates, which we're talking about, core CPI or CPI, employment levels, and GDP growth. So now here it tells you the most important economic news that we're supposed to check. It means these economic indicators, we call them fundamentals, they are very important and you have to go and check them from now on. If you see them on the calendar or on your economic calendar, you have to check them and see how the market reacts, because this is information that if you are a trader, you have to check. So as well as provide insight into the Federal Reserve's policy decisions and actions, lawmakers can use this information to gain a better understanding of the current economic conditions and make informed decisions regarding fiscal policies and stuff like that. So you can just go read this and you will understand along with those testimony today or whatever, I think it's Wednesday, you're going to understand maybe whether the market let's say the inflation is it's going down or it's still going up or whatever, and we have a better understanding if they're going to increase the rates or not, then it's where we're going to just see the market starting to fly. When you check, you don't know what makes the market to fly because you missed some very important information, or maybe you just thought maybe no, it's just testifying. It seems like it's not really important, but it's very important. If he mentions something very good, you can search anything on your ChatGPT. I think maybe why I'm using ChatGPT, I think is going to explain enough points on one thing, you see. And that way, I think maybe it might help us, or you, me, whoever who is watching this video. And if you like this type of content, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. For those who want to be part of the team, guys, for those who I try to give people's I try to give you some special, but no, we back to our normal pricing. I'm still on this special, actually $99. Actually, you're saving $200 on VIP lifetime signals. You pay once, then you just enjoy our signals. So thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. See you later on. Bye.